The meaning of Mother's Day has changed over time for me.
Mother's Day to me is a day to remember, honor, and celebrate all of the women who have made an impact on my life and the lives of my children.
My mother always was one who was a big proponent about animals, and we always had a lot of dogs and cats in the store. So when I think of her a lot, the charms that I can really remember that go with her are specifically dog charms.
And the way that has changed over time is I am now a mother myself. And I have a son who's 3.5, his name's Jack. And I have a daughter, Aria, she is about 10 months old. And I now appreciate all of the mothers in my life so much more, now that I understand the sacrifices that they make when they become mothers.
I have a granddaughter who always is putting me in my place, as most of you will know. So I like photo art charms. They are little snapshots into the past, into my history, into our family history. So I always like having those around.
I also gave my mother the Nana charm because she is now not just a mom, but she's a grandma. And she loved it because instead of just grandma, it's Nana, which is how they refer to her, and they say it in their little baby voices, and it just melts her heart. So it's a very special piece for her to wear every day as well, because it reminds her that not only is she a mother, but she's also a Nana. And that's what Mother's Day means to me.